YouTube, what is poppin'? It's your boy TQ, and we are back with another video, man. So today I got my guy Quinn coming to get a drop fade. Right here I started off with my bald guideline, and I'm just basically cleaning up everything, trying to get everything as bald as I possibly can.
Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now?
Next up, I take that no guard open, and I create my next guideline. You might see me go back over it a couple times, just trying to make everything as neat as I possibly can, so when I go back to take the lines out, it'll be easy for me to see.
You don't ever come to me. All she ever said is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me.
So right here you can see that I'm clipping the hair off just to make it easier when I'm creating that last guideline and avoid all the overhang.
Do the voicemails that you left me telling me where I went wrong. I'll admit I'm sorry when I've been, I'm truly sorry. Things change, people change, feelings change too. Never thought the circumstances would have changed too.
Now when creating these guidelines, you can see that I'm brushing the hair right after I make a stroke. So once you make a stroke, you brush it down just to get a clear visual of what you're working with.
But either way, you're still invited and I can't even let you. Swear these days, all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me.
So now we head into the process of taking all those guidelines out. So I take my no guard closed and I'm taking out that first guideline that I created.
Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make it feel. How hard.
And then I take my half guard closed and I'm just taking out that last guideline that I created. And we're more so using the corners just to ensure that we don't create another guideline.
I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. How it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided. I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Y'all never come to me.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, even know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rave, you wanna go out on dates, you want somebody to come bring you flowers. Someone to talk to for hours. Wash your back while y'all sit in the shower. Someone to tell you you're beautiful. Someone to tell you and mean it. Someone to tell you I love you every day and don't got a reason.
What you do to one side, you're gonna also do to the other side. So I went ahead and sped this up. It's the same process.
Down feeling lonely. Somebody who can make it better. Somebody who can open up those gates. Open up those gates to your heart. Only if you're ready. I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd and you know where to be found as they sing along. I say you look good without no makeup.
here, I take my half guard and I'm just trimming down that front edge up. And we don't want to go back too far, because then if you go back too far, it'll start giving off kind of like a wig look. So we don't want to give off that look. We want to make it look as natural as possible, but as clean as possible. And I wouldn't say this is a beginner tip. As you can see, I'm using my high vis trimmers to kind of lighten up those dark spots that I might see in the fade. This is just something that I do from time to time. I use the corner of the blade to kind of lighten up those dark spots. I wouldn't recommend this to the beginners, but this is something that someone who's been cutting for a while could possibly do, and you could try it out and see if you like it.
You got desire. And I'm not a liar. You had me down on my knees every day, had to talk beside. I'm in that 80 and one of them, this is different driving. I try to pay all your loans off and copy you a driver. I had to stand too close to the city, you acting too vulnerable living this life. I still move you away from history before I copy all this ice. You wanna be my number one, you're not acting like the main thing. I let you play my number two, you barely made the second change. Put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know.
So once I get done spraying my Got to Be spritz on the hairline, I go in with my Barberlife trimmers and I'm attacking that front edge up. And when we get to those vertical bars, we want to make sure that we get the angle or the point at a 90-degree angle. That's the whole mission, man. You want to make sure everything looks right, man. If not 90 degrees, at least 75. And this is also going to depend on the head shape of the client. Not everyone is going to get a 90-degree angle on their vertical bars, but you want to at least try to achieve that goal. Like I said, everyone has a different head shape, so you got to make it just look right for their head.
Got you a whip, when you got back on the shit, I had to tell her go get it. I'm always moving too fast, the feeling don't last. I feel like you take me for granted. Probably my fault for the way that I handle it. I should've put you somewhere where no one can find you. Mansion out in the sticks with nothing around you. Katy, Texas, Dallas, Texas, you know a different environment. You got desires, I know. You got desires, I know. You got desires. Ooh, shawty, you tried it. Voice getting filled with entitlement. Why would you tell me those lies? Why would you make it so bold to my face? Why are your stories all over the place? Whole lot of secrets friends don't keep safe. Where did your friends all go? I can't solve your problems. You say your problems never needed solving. I was too good till you should've stayed silent. Nice guys always finish off where they started. Deja vu, you wanted things and you got it. Deja vu, I wanted smoke and I got it. Deja vu, deja.
That's the shit I'm talking about though, like, you changed up. You don't even fucking link nobody no more.
Always felt like my vision been bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now.
Next up, I take my jet black tintation spray, and I'm just filling in those light spots that I might see within the hairline.
Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? Do I know what time it is right now? It's after 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you right now. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come.
Next up, I take the white pencil, and all my barbers out there, or all my viewers who know this fact, the white pencil is going to show up better on his skin tone because he's a lighter skin client. That tan pencil is not going to show up how we want it to show up on his skin tone. So we go ahead and apply that white pencil, and we don't want to dig in too hard because we have to blend out that line later on. And I seen a comment on one of my earlier videos, and I seen one of you guys who, actually a couple of you guys who said the oil sheen, if you spray that on the pencil line, it'll take out that line a little bit smoother. So I'm gonna try that on another video, or just in general. I'm gonna just try it out and see how it works and see if I like it. And I might make a video on it and show you guys how it worked for me. But that's just one point that I didn't know about, and some of you guys told me about it, so I would definitely be trying it.
Swear these days all you say is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever.
So lastly, when dealing with the edge up, you want to use that razor to bring that white line back to the lineup. And this just makes it a lot sharper, and it makes the overall presentation of the lineup look more natural.
Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. I know you got another nigga trying to play the part. Just cause he got a heart don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and he still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things to make me feel the way I make you feel. How hard is it to let you know when I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. How it's decorated. This thing is getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. Y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Y'all never come to me.
We are inching closer to the end of this video, but as you can see, my boy Quinn came in looking like this and left out the shop like this, man. But it's your boy TQ. He in good hands, just like State Farm. Mess with this video, man. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Until next time. We out, man.